In this video, I'll guide you through how to change the currency settings in Klaviyo, making sure your marketing campaigns align perfectly with your financial preferences. Whether you're launching a new campaign or just optimizing your current setup, adjusting the currency is a crucial step to ensure everything runs smoothly. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to the bottom left corner of your Klaviyo dashboard. There, you'll find the name of your organization. Go ahead and click on it. This step is important because it takes you to the main control panel where all your organizational settings are housed. Once you're in the right place, look for the Settings tab. It's usually right up there in the main menu. Hover over it and then click on Organization. This section is your go-to hub for customizing and managing the core aspects of your account, giving you the flexibility to tweak settings to better fit your business needs. Now, as you scroll down, keep an eye out for the Account Currency section. It might be a little further down the page, but don't worry, you'll find it. In this section, you'll see a drop-down menu that lists various currency options. This is where you'll select the currency you prefer. Whether it's dollars, euros, or any other currency, make sure it matches the primary currency of your business operations. At this point, there's an important detail to consider. You'll notice a checkbox pertaining to your current flows and drafts. This option allows you to decide whether you want to automatically update all your existing flows and drafts to reflect this currency change. If you wish to apply the new currency setting across all your active and drafted campaigns, simply check the box. If not, leave it unchecked to maintain the current settings in your existing content. After you've made your selection, it's crucial to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually located at the bottom of the page. Clicking Save will ensure your new currency settings are applied across your Klaviyo account, updating everything according to your preferences. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully changed the currency settings in Klaviyo. This adjustment not only streamlines your financial reporting, but also enhances the accuracy of your marketing analytics. Remember, having the correct currency setting can significantly impact how you analyze your data and plan future campaigns. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more insights and tips on optimizing your digital marketing tools. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below and we'll be happy to help. Until next time, happy marketing.